On our last video, we're talking about worm and ulcer, and today I'm telling you how to prevent this ulcer. One, you should stop eating raw fruits or fruit that is not washed well with salt. You should stay away from dirty environments. And two, you should stop eating sugary things. Don't eat things that are too sugary. Guys, whatever you're eating, cook very well. Cook your meal very well, or your meat. Cook it very well. Cook your meat very well to stay away from worm. You get. Now, I will tell you also what the symptoms of this worm and ulcer. You're having stomach discomfort. You will be having you'll be feeling dizzy. You'll be feeling dizzy. You'll be weak. You will be feeling nausea, vomiting. You'll be feeling vomiting, like you'll be feeling vomit, like if you want to vomit, you feel like you want to vomit. You get. Now, you'll be like, when you want to vomit, you see that your saliva will be gathering in your mouth. Saliva will be gathering in your mouth. In that process is worm. Worm is much in your system. You understand? Stomach discomfort again. Stomach will be disturbing you. You cannot even. You'll be restless because of stomach discomfort, because of worm. I get. And because of this thing, worm and ulcer. And worm causes ulcer, and then when you have ulcer, you also have stomach discomfort. When worm is too much, you also have stomach discomfort. This is what you should know. I will tell you how to preserve this. Now, there are a lot of worms that are being known to be in our system, or worms that are parasitic in human, that are parasitic in nature. Now, I will tell you now. One of the worm here is known as one of the worm here is known as tapeworm. On that one is guinea worm, hookworm, and common worm or roundworm. These are worms that are in our system, that are parasitic in human, that are parasitic in human beings. Know this again. I say, one, we have tapeworm, two, we have guinea worm, three, we have hookworm, and four, we have roundworm or common worm. This common worm is the normal worm that we always face here in Nigeria. These are the ones we suffer when we stay in Nigeria. A lot of now in this tapeworm are being common in overseas or outside the countries. This is where you see this, or this is where these things are always common. This tapeworm, understand? But other worms are common in Nigeria. And look at drugs you use in curing this. In guinea worm, you use ambiha. There's one worm drug called ambiha. These are worm drugs that are used to cure this particular worm. And hookworm and common worm, you can use akupa.